everyone, this is Arika Yadav. Welcome you all in RES News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news, Match Olympiad is conducted in Raj English School on 18th of October. Second, Bharatiya Sanskriti Gyan Prasar Pariksha is conducted in Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. Class 10th and 12th final exam will be held for around 44 lakh students next year at 8,000 schools across the country. Now some national news. PM Modi to embark on two-day visit to Russia to attend BRICS summit in Kazan. Supreme Court grant bail to MLA Abbas Ansari in money laundering case. Now some international news. At least 6 killed and 25 others were injured as bus carrying Japanese tourists crashes in Turkey. Now some sports news. New Zealand's Ravindra scored his second test 100 against India, extending their lead to 299 at launch on third day. Second, Shakib Al Hasan unlikely to travel to Bangladesh for his final test due to protest. Now some entertainment news. World's richest celebrity made just 6 films with net worth of still more than Tom Cruise, Shah Rukh Khan, Taylor Swift combined. Now some Scout and Guide news. Tritiya Sopan and basic courses conducted by Himachal Pradesh State. Second, Uttarakhand State conducted basic courses and proficient batch training. Now some educational news. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has discontinued the optional question in Section B of the JEE Mains 2025. IIT Kanpur announces new fellowship for their PhD student. Now some other news. Veteran Malayalam actress Komal Menon passed away at the age of 96 on 17th October. Deepak Aras, a well-known director in the Kannada film industry, has passed away recently. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail, starting with some of the school news. In order to access mathematical aptitudes in students, the Raj English School has conducted a Maths Olympiad for class 1 to 12 on 18th of October on Friday. Bharatiya Sanskriti Gyan Prasar Pariksha is conducted in RES on 19th of October. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE will conduct the class 10 and 12 board exam for approximately 44 lakh students next year across 8,000 students in India and 26 schools abroad. Now some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a two-day visit to Russia on 22nd October to attend the 16th Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa summit. The Supreme Court on Friday granted bail to MLA Abbas Ansari, son of gangster politician and former MLA Mukhtar Ansari, in connection with a money laundering case. Now some international news. A bus carrying Japanese tourists has crashed into a ditch in Turkey, injuring 22 people while 6 were died. Now some sports news. Sachin Ravindra scored his second test century, leading New Zealand to 402 all out and extending their lead to 356 over India on day 3 of rain-hit opening test in Bengaluru. Second, Shakib Al Hasan, Bangladesh premier all-rounder, is unlikely to travel to Bangladesh for his final test match against South Africa due to protest against him in Dhaka. Now some entertainment news. The world's richest celebrity is a filmmaker who has directed just 6 films only and yet has amassed with wealth of close to $10 billion. Now some Scout and Guide news. The Himachal Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guide to conduct the Tritiya Sopan Testing Camp, a state-level camp for Scout and Guide focusing on their health and development. Second, Uttarakhand State Bharat Scout and Guide conducted basic courses and proficiency batches training to enhance scouting skills and promoting character development. Now some educational news. NTA have discontinued the optional question format in Section B in JEE 2025, which will now consist of 5 mandatory questions for both the paper 1 and 2. IIT Kanpur announces a new fellowship for their PhD students. Now some other news. Komala Menon died at a private hospital in Parashala, Kerala on Thursday on 17th of October at the age of 96 years due to age-related problems. Second, Deepak Araz, well-known director in a Kannada film industry, has recently passed away due to kidney failure on 17th of October Thursday. That's all. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.